Boom! Did you hear that thunder? That's Thor, the mighty superhero with a magical hammer. Let's grab our markers and draw this awesome hero together.
Hey kids, it's BooBoo time. Grab your pencil, it's sketching time. Wow! First we start with simple lines, shapes and curves. Oh, look, that's fine. A circle here, a squiggle there. Soon a character will appear. Sketch, sketch with BooBoo, yay. Line by line we draw and play. Every little mark's okay. Our BooBoo friend will shine today. Oh, you! Don't you worry, take your time. Follow along with every line. Big bright eyes and smiling face. Our sketch is taking shape with grace. Sketch, sketch with BooBoo, yay. Line by line we draw and play. Every little mark's okay. Our BooBoo friend will shine today. Now we've got our sketch, hooray! Colors and fun are on the way. Stay right here, don't go away. We'll color BooBoo bright today. Hey, yay!
Now let's color. His cape is bright red, his outfit is dark gray and black, and his hammer is silver. You can even give him glowing yellow eyes like lightning power. Wow! Thor is looking epic.
We sketched our BooBoo looking great. Now it's time to decorate. Pick your colors, bold or bright. Make BooBoo shine in the light. Red or yellow, green or blue. It's your choice, it's up to you. Color, color with BooBoo, yay. Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Soft and gentle, take your time. Every shade is just sublime. Stripes or dots or sparkles too. Your BooBoo's made by you, so true. Color, color with BooBoo, yay. Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Mix and blend, have lots of fun. There's no wrong way for anyone. Bright and happy, bold and new. Look at what you made. Woohoo! Color, color with BooBoo, yay. Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Now our BooBoo's full of cheer. You did amazing, give a cheer. More fun drawings on the way with BooBoo friends. Hip hip hooray! Red finger here to boo play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray.
hip hooray, rainbow bridge, up so high, jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too.
Let's add a little glitter to his hammer. Zap, zap! And a little sparkle to the cape. Now he's ready to fly through the skies. Amazing work, little heroes! Your Thor looks strong, cool, and ready to save the day! Show it to your friends and say, I drew Thor, the Thunder Hero! Don't forget to subscribe to BooBoo Productions for more fun superhero drawings. See you next time! And keep drawing like a hero!